what I'm hearing is like really two themes. So I want to see if you're hearing the same and what your thoughts are on it. So the first theme is all around the contact center. So what I've heard is, or like customer service, what I've heard is the contact center basically went from phones to chat, but nothing's really changed. So like that's one theme I'm hearing. And then the other theme I'm hearing, you know, I've asked many people in the personal line space, I'm like, what's your dream? Like, if you could just like map out, like, this would be my dream scenario for a personal lines carrier, what would it be? And what I hear is, we would like to be proactive versus reactive, meaning we already know that our customer has suffered a loss and we're already processing their claims before they tell us. So I wonder, one, if you're hearing those themes, and two, like in the market that like would solve that, or any sort of noise around those two themes, or if you're seeing anything different.
Definitely hearing a lot of interest in both of those categories. They are two very different challenges or things to solve for. I think on the call center side, absolutely heard a desire for a lot of capabilities and solutions to come in. I agree with you that the call center is less so about the like interaction on the phone, and it's a lot of how much can we triage up front via a chatbot or AI. The challenge being that you're really still just getting the level one type of answers and responses. And it's really just like someone said the other day, it's like when you're calling, if you just have a question that you know a person could answer in 5 seconds, but you have to go through 3 rounds of a chatbot to say, no, you still haven't answered my question. No, you still haven't answered my question. Now I want to talk to somebody. That's even more frustrating than waiting to talk to somebody, because you've now wasted 3 or 4 cycles of that. And so from a call center capability, how do you quickly identify what the challenge is? How do you get a response that's more informative than just a, like, I've Googled this answer, right? And it's here. And so what are the capabilities that we're seeing are things that, how do you take that information in? How do you pull out the right information so that you can generate the right responses? And then it's some of those metrics we've talked about: time to response, accuracy of response, and then some of those, post call or post conversation surveys. How do you collect that data to then bring that back in and improve the overall customer experience? On the let's be proactive, not reactive side, there's a lot of noise around that, and it talks to all of these solutions that you've seen. Also on the personal line side, like the geospatial solutions. So how do you know, how can you be a resource to say, there's a hailstorm coming. These are the things that you should do to protect your home. The hailstorm has come. It looks like you may have roof damage, right? Here's how we can get out there to assess that damage. Or we have the data and the analytics to say, we know that your roof was damaged, and we have already estimated that. Because we've got drone imagery, because we have analysis and data that say this is what it would cost. Here's the payout for you. A lot of those pre-automated things are definitely solutions that we've seen entrepreneurs trying to bring to the industry. Yeah, so you're spot on.
Awesome.
That's exciting. I love living in the future.